Hi there, in this video I will show you how to install Node.js on macOS by using a package manager called nvm. First, we're gonna need to install the nvm, which is a Node version manager. This is useful if you want to install so many versions of Node.js on your macOS side by side. So you just need to install nvm by copy this script, go to your terminal and paste it here and then press enter. It will download the nvm to your home directory. Once finished, we can use the nvm to install the Node.js. So I will use the Node.js LTS version. We will start the new terminal. Okay, with the new terminal, we can use nvm install LTS. This will download the latest LTS from Node.js. Once finished, we can use it like this, nvm use LTS. Okay, now we are using the Node version 20, which is the latest LTS. Okay, let's test. Let's check the version. It's version 20. Now let's try with a simple hello world JavaScript. Then we can run like this. It's showing hello world, so it's working properly. Now the other thing we need to check is the Node package manager. So let's clear it first. Let's check the version of the Node package manager. It's version 10, and let's try it by using the npx tldr. This will download a command line called tldr, which is being used to read a manual from a command line easily. So this is the example of npx command line tools coming from Node package manager, which is showing how to use tar easily like this. So okay, we already checked the Node, we already checked the Node package manager too, and it's all working perfectly on the macOS here. So that's it. Now you can start develop some JavaScript application on your macOS. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just comment below. If you like this video, please click subscribe and like at the bottom. Thank you and see you next time.